Paano magluto ng kimidori with alaking? Ayan. Wow! Meron tayong yok. May wok pala, yok. Wok pan. Galing Shopee. Sponsored by Shopee. Ayan, may wok pan tayo. Tapos, meron tayong kimidori. Kimdori. Ito ang ating alaking sauce pero walang carrots. Yan. Paano ba magluto? Ganito lamang mga kapatid na.
Pakita mo yung luto. Hindi naman. Dahil kung hindi siya, kasama ko lang. Yan. Sarap pa siya.
Maybe I need to stop playing this game. Yeah, probably. That's probably the correct answer.
Try mo parang may beer.
Pero maganda yung pagkakaano eh. Sino mo pa ito mo?
When I was a kid, I used to love Subway. I love how you can personalize your sandwich and do anything you want with it. But it's been a while since I went to a Subway.
Maganda, pagkaka-fry.
Take some notes that I can make the best.
Let's see.
Okay guys, so my color is red, and that means I have to make a...
Kita ako. Namili.
Yan.
Laki na ay.
I-slow mo ko yan. Wait, go. Okay. Okay, pahaba. Pahaba.
Here, the rice. Wow! Kulang na lang mata at pipi.